Hi, I'm Francis, an executive virtual assistant from the Philippines. Most calendar management looks the same, but not every CEO runs their week the same way. So, in this video, I'm walking you through 3 CEO calendar systems I built, each one designed for a different type of executive. Let's get into it. So, this is the sales-heavy CEO. As you can see, everything here is intentional. Sales calls group together in the morning when energy is highest. Deep work blocks protected with no meetings allowed, and buffer blocks after every major call so the CEO is never rushing. I documented this entire system in a full SOP so anyone can run it consistently. Now let's switch to strategy focused executive. As you can see, this CEO's priority is thinking and building. Deep work owns every single morning from 8:30 to 10:30. Protected every day. Meetings are minimal and pushed to midday. The afternoon is systems and planning for work. Moving on to balance operations executive. This one splits the week evenly. Operations and stands up in the morning. Deep systems work in the afternoon. As you can see, consistent rhythm every day so nothing spiles up. And that's the CEO weekly calendar system. I built 3 ways for 3 different executives. If you want a schedule that protects your focus and runs without you thinking about it, portfolio link is below. Let's connect.